Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode of the Box Breakers here at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. Check them out, they're on 24th Street in Osborne. They do sports, non-sports, autograph certification, PSA, submission for grading, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh!, Magic. They do game nights on Friday nights. They do game nights on Monday nights. Stop in and see them. You might even see us here recording live. You may be able to jump in on an episode and help us with a box break. We have our fourth box of Topps Gold Label. Joe's got them on sale at his shop for $60. Huge value. And if you haven't seen our other openings of Topps Gold Label, go back and check them out. We've kind of fallen in love with this product. Not to say the one that we just opened, the $130 box, that one's really cool too. But you get a few more packs out of this one, so you get to open a few more things, and the price point's a little bit better, or a little less painful. It's about half as much as that other box we just opened, but anyway, let's see how we do here. Alright, Buster Posey, Class 2. Ryan McMahon. So you're looking for Class 3 is what you really want. The Class 1 is the lowest, just so you know. And then they've got red parallels and different color parallels, and there'll be some numbered cards in here, hopefully. Chris Sale, never heard of him, Class 3. Carlos Carrera, Class 1. And Barry Larkin, Hall of Famer, Class 1. Alright, so you get 7 packs. You're guaranteed one framed auto, gold framed auto per box. It's just a matter of who you get. One of the boxes we got a Jose Canseco. One of the boxes we got what was his name? I can't even remember his name. Matt Olson, never heard of him. And then another one we had Chris Taylor, and it was a numbered red parallel, so at least that was a little bit better. Here's Rise Hoskins, Class 2 rookie. Oh, Owatani. This is our first Class 3 on Owatani. We've had 2 Class 1s. We had a Class 1 in our last box, so that one's super cool. We'll get a sleeve on that right away. There's David Ortiz, Class 1. Adam Jones, Class 1. And Hank Aaron, Class 1. So we may be on a Hall of Fame box here. Not sure. There's usually one major box per case. And as far as we know, nobody's hit that case or that box out of the case yet. Here's George Brett, Hall of Famer, Class 2. Cody Bellinger, Class 1. Zach Greinke, Class 1. Chris Sale, Class 1. Johnny Bench, Class 1. I think we had Johnny Bench. Oh, we had Johnny Bench in a different in that expensive box, the $130 box. Which those cards were really cool. Really cool. They're kind of like see-through. Anyway, real high quality product. Alright. Johannes Sapadius, Class 2. Noah Snydergrad, we've had him lots of times, Class 3. Alright, we got Ernie Banks, Class 3, red parallel, numbered 13 to 25. That's alright. Somebody will want that on our eBay. Our eBay is the.box.breakers if you want to go check out any of the cards that we've got for sale. But we'll get a sleeve on that right away. There's Miguel Cabrera, Walker Buehler. Alright, pretty happy about that numbered red parallel. Alright, Rafael Devers, Class 2. And Don Mattingly, Class 1. Nice. Everybody loves Donnie Baseball. John Donaldson, Class 2. Derek Jeter, Class 1. And J.P. Crawford, rookie card, Class 1. Alright, second to last pack. Let's see how we do. Alright, Miguel Andujar, rookie card, Class 2. Manny Machado, Class 3. We've seen him a bunch of times in other of our Topps Gold Label. There's Ozzie Smith, Hall of Famer, Class 1. Alex Verdugo, Class 1. Alex Bergman, Class 1. Alright, this is the heavy pack, the fat pack. This is the gold auto. This is what we all came to see. Oh, look at this. On the back, it's protected by Shohei Ohtani, so that's a good sign. And on the front, it's Mookie Betts, Class 3. So this may be a good one. This may be a good gold auto. Who do we get? Rick Ankiel. Never heard of him. It's numbered, at least 26 of 75. I don't think our other one was numbered. No, it was not. At least it's numbered, so it's like the gray parallel. So it's a little bit better than the standard, but still. Rick Ankiel? Ankiel? Ever heard of Rick Ankiel? No, me neither. All I hear is crickets. Sorry, Rick. You're probably really good at baseball, but man, I've just never heard of you. He's got a big old signature, and you can see the gold number there, 75. So we'll get that one in a sleeve and a top loader, and we'll put that one up on eBay. And then we got Shohei Ohtani, Class 1. So that's pretty cool. Alright, how do you think we did? I think we did better than box number 3, but not better than box number 1 or 2, because our box number 2 was numbered till, I think we had number 20 of 25. So anyway, there you go. There you have it. Thanks for tuning in. Not sure what we're going to do next. We may do another Topps Gold label. We may do one of these Prestige or Donruss. I'm not sure. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks to Joe. Thanks to Abe. Always taking care of us here at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. Hit the like, subscribe button, notification bell. We upload content daily. We've got free giveaways going all the way to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. And we're going to let people pick what they want for their free giveaways. We hit each milestone. So if you're into sports or non-sports, anyway, if you just like seeing packs of cards get opened, you're definitely in the right place. And appreciate all your guys' support. We'll see you next time here on the Box Breakers. Out.